My name is Colton Edmiston, and here's my bike check. Alright, so let's start it off. Voice crack. I got some ODI grips, some Sasquatch Primo bars, S&M race stem. I got the Fit Benny 2 2014. I got the Foundation kink forks. I have a Primo front and back rim, hub. Primo front rim with titanium spokes. I have a Odyssey hazard light back rim with just white normal spokes. And then I got, I got E-Clat cranks with sprocket and titanium spindle. And then I have two Colt pegs and just a normal stock fit seat. And there you have it. There's my bike check. Colton Edmiston.